Hi there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to quickly fix the not being able to log into Binance error. So most of you who have Binance probably encountered this error at least once or twice or even multiple times when they're trying to go to your wallet. You go to your wallet, it's just a blank page and it disappears. It either says network error or session expired. So you try to log in your email, you put in your password and nothing works. Well, here are quick tips that you can apply to see if it's from your phone or your network. So of course check first your Wi-Fi and your mobile network by going into YouTube or your Chrome browser, see if those load up. If those load up, then it's not your network. The second thing you can do is click on these three lines here and click on Binance Identity Service. Just click refresh. Once it refreshes, try again. But if this doesn't work as well, go to your settings of your phone, go to apps, go to app settings, go to apps, find Binance afterwards, and make sure on data usage right here that you've allowed mobile, Wi-Fi, background and roaming data to be all allowed on Binance. Once you make sure that's done, force stop the application and make sure to restart it again. All these tips should work, at least one of them, and I hope they do. If they do, leave a like and subscribe and see you next time.